Okay, boys and girls, for this afternoon, what we are doing is coming up with a playground or a, I don't know, activity center for ants. So we have to put our minds into the place of an ant and what they would like to do. You only have 2 really long strips. Some of you have 3, I think, if you got a neutral color. And then you have these smaller strips. Think about what you want to do with them. Now, you always need a surface to glue. You're going to need glue today. You're going to need your big white paper. You're going to need your strips, and that's pretty much it. So what you need to figure out is you always need to have something that you're going to glue to that you're going to put on your paper. This is going to be 3-dimensional, so you always want to have those 2 little folds on the end so that you have something to put the glue on and then put onto your paper. So I think the first one, I'm just going to be real simple. Also, liquid glue, it works a lot better on this one because it sets up pretty quickly. Oh, let me show you. I just went with the top was closed right here. You twist only the orange part of the top to open it. You see how that went apart from the bottom right there? So I'll close it again so you can see that's closed. When you twist it up a little bit, that is open right there. So now, and if you press it like that, you can hear the air coming out. So I have to wait for it to get down to the bottom, and then I can put a little tiny bit of glue. So if you look at that, not a lot of glue. It's not gooping. It's not overflowing. It's not dripping. Don't be messy. So I'm going to put this over here, and with my other little tab, I'm going to put some glue on it, just a little, and I'm just going to make a kind of a slide kind of thing. So I am going to hold this down and count silently to 20. Probably going to cut this out. Okay, so that should be glued. So the next one, I'm going to get a little fancier. So let me get the blue, see what I could do with the blue. Maybe I want to do an accordion fold. An accordion fold is where you fold it on one side and then you fold it on the other side. And then you fold it on one side, you flip it, fold, flip it, fold, flip it, fold. It's probably easier to do this on a table. Flip it, fold, flip it, fold, flip it, fold. This is called an accordion fold. A lot of people call it a fan fold because they use big pieces of paper to do it, and then it's like a fan. And then we have this little tab to glue. So how am I going to do this one? I don't know. Maybe there's going to be steps that lead to the top. Maybe I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue right here. Put it maybe over here, like so. And then how am I going to glue this one? Maybe I'm going to fold this under a little bit. Put a little bit of glue right here. And then I'm going to glue this to the purple, and I'm going to hold that for 20 seconds. So they might have stairs to come up, they might have a slide to go down, they might have to jump from one step to the other. Anything is possible. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one and let me show you a little trick. I want this one to be curved, so I'm going to go to the edge of my table here. I'm going to hold this end with my tippy fingertips, and I'm going to hold this end with my tippy fingertips, and I'm going to have this straight on the table, and this one over here is going to go straight down. So let me show you. I'm going like this. I'm going back and forth, straight on the table, straight down, straight on the table, straight down. And what that does, if I let go, did you see that? It curled up like so. So I can do anything with that too. Let me see, what am I going to do? Am I going to do like a roller coaster? Maybe I'll just do a roller coaster that goes over here. Maybe it'll go from one of the steps. I don't know. You could do anything that you imagine for your ants. Please excuse my papers for not being decorated because I'm at school and my decorated papers are at home. So I had to use what I have. Okay, let's see. Where am I going to put this one? Curly Q, and then maybe over here. So maybe I'll have the curly Q in the middle. Ooh, like a roller coaster. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue on this part. And I think I'm going to have it a little closer together like this. So the curly Q is in the middle. So that's a little roller coaster that's happening right there. Oops, sorry, I'm jiggling the camera. Okay, let me put it back here. All right, so what else could I possibly do? Let's see. I already did that color. I can go from one thing to another thing. I can curl it from one thing to another thing. I can, what can I do? I can make this like a slide and just have a straight piece of paper. So maybe this is even going to go off the page. So I have a slide going from here to off the page. So I'm going to bend this a little bit for my slide and put glue right here so that you have a little sturdy stand. And I'm going to hold that. So you go up the steps. You can either slide down this way, or go down the long slide. So you can see that's a long slide that goes right off the paper. So this is the beginning of my playground. I'm not sure how tall it's going to be, how I'm going to build things on top of things. But ooh, that's definitely going to happen right there. But right now, this is what it looks like. It is 3-dimensional, and some ants would love it, but I'm sure they would love it if I did a little bit more. If you want to do like 4 pieces today, that's probably a good start. So try to do 4 pieces, and then we'll see where you're at. Okay, have fun, guys.